In this lesson, we'll learn how to crop an image so we can focus on only the area we're interested in. Cropping is one of the most common operations in computer vision. Instead of processing an entire image, we often work with just a small region. For example, we might crop a face before running face recognition, isolate a license plate for OCR, or extract an object before sending it to a machine learning model. The great thing is that cropping in OpenCV doesn't require a special function. Since an image is simply a NumPy array, we can crop it using normal array slicing. Let's load an image and create a new variable called cropped. To select part of the image, we specify a range of rows and columns. The first range represents the vertical position, or y-axis, and the second represents the horizontal position, or x-axis. The numbers inside the brackets represent pixel coordinates. An easy way to find them is by opening your image in Microsoft Paint. Move your mouse over the image and look at the bottom left corner of the Paint window, where you'll see the current X and Y coordinates of your cursor. Use these values to estimate the top left and bottom right corners of the area you want to crop. For example, if the lighthouse begins around X equals 850 and Y equals 80 and ends near X equals 1450, and y equals 720, you can crop it like this. Now let's display both images side by side. The original image remains unchanged, while the cropped version contains only the selected area. One important thing to remember is that slicing follows the same indexing rules we've already learned. The first value is always the row, or y-coordinate, and the second is the column, or x-coordinate. This is different from how we usually describe coordinates on paper, so it takes a little practice to become familiar with it. Cropping is also commonly referred to as selecting a region of interest, or ROI. You'll hear this term often in computer vision because many algorithms only need to analyze a specific part of an image instead of the entire frame. Before moving on, try changing the coordinates and see how the cropped region changes. You'll quickly get a feel for how image slicing works. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to rotate images, allowing us to change their orientation while keeping the image data intact.